Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I'm coming on today with a quick card for hashtag Satmorn Makes, hosted by Jill Norwood here on YouTube. Finally, I am having some time to craft and to create, and I wanted to come on real quick and share my cards. So these are the items that I used for my card. I don't know where this die came from, but it's definitely an old one. So I used that one. I used this one's definitely from Allie. Um, I do like this, but the only bad thing, it does not cut both sides of the die. It only does one side. So it's mostly like a border. And then I used this stamp set from Spellbinders, and it's Perfect Pie Sentiment and Fillings. I used this one, and then I used the My Creative Time Strawberry Tag dies. Okay, so this is a card for my mother-in-law. She loves strawberries, and I wanted to make her a birthday card coming up in July. I had put some quick cards together with this die, and I didn't realize how small they were. This is smaller than a 4.5 by 5.5 regular card, but these would be great for like note cards. I did it this way, and then I also I did the card this way. So I was gonna just make her a quick little strawberry card, but it's really small. So I decided not to. um, but I do love this card better. This is a 5x5 size card, layered some cardstock. I used that square die. There's the pattern paper. Oh, I did not share the pattern paper, did I? The pattern paper I used is from Pebbles. It's an old paper that I've had in my stash. I have several sheets of them. I think I bought it at Tuesday morning, trying to use up what I have. So I cut out, alternating the cardstock. Here is the sentiment, sending sweet birthday wishes. So very simple 5x5 card. And then inside there's the little border die cut out. And more of the pattern paper, layered cardstock. I'm going to put my sentiment here. And then on the back, I just layered some paper, and then a little cute little, I'm going to write my name and the date on the back here. So really quick card for a birthday in July. Perfect. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.